Hi, today I want to show you how to remove magnification to your Redmi Note 30. Our first step to do it is opening settings application. In it, scroll and look for our additional settings selection, and there we must choose our accessibility. In it, vision, and there we have our magnification, which we must turn on by our shortcut, which position we can easily change by tap on it and swipe of it on screen to select place when we want it. To zoom our screen, tap on our shortcuts and tap on screen. When you want change position of that, use two fingers and swipe with these two fingers on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out. On when you use one finger, you can go up and down. To turn off it, press again on your shortcut. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.